So now, with all the knowledge about the composition API we gained over the last lectures in this module, we can come back to this project I showed you in the second lecture of this module, where I mentioned why you could consider using the composition API instead of the options API. Now you find this project attached. If you install everything and start the development server, you'll see this application here. Here you can sort the users, you can filter for users. It's a very simple filter here, but it works. You can select a user to view the projects, and you can also filter those projects here if you want to. So that is the project we have here, and that's entirely built with the options API. I strongly recommend that you maybe pause the video here and go through the project real quick so that you see how it is built, how it is made up of different components, that you see how the different pieces work together. In the end, it's not a super complex project. It's basically all about having a list of users, where every user then has a list of projects, but we got a couple of components that work together here for displaying the users, for displaying the projects, and of course also for example, adding search and so on. So take that break to analyze the project, and thereafter we'll start migrating this to the composition API. Of course, you can also try this on your own. This might be a great practice, but if you get stuck or if you're not sure, definitely also feel free to do this together with me. Starting in the next lecture, we'll dive into this and we'll migrate this entire project from the options API to the composition API.